Ready to transform your nails in minutes without the mess? If you're all about that effortless, salon-quality manicure at home, then you'll want to stick around for today's review. I'm talking about Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani Press-On Nails, French style in a light neutral with white tips. Whether you're new to press-ons or a seasoned pro, these could be the game changer for your next mani. Let's dive in. So what exactly are we working with here? The Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani is a press-on nail kit designed to give you a French manicure look, elegant yet simple, without the need for glue. The nails feature a short, Squoval shape in a neutral beige with white tips, perfect for a clean, natural French tip. But what really stands out is the improved adhesive, which promises a long-lasting hold of up to 10 days. Plus, it's literally a one-step process. Peel, press, and go. Now, let's talk about the experience of using these nails. I'll be honest, press-on nails have come a long way since the clunky ones of the past. With these, applying them was a breeze. No glue means no mess, and the application is simple enough that even a total novice could get it right. I just prepped my nails with the included prep pad, sized the press-ons to match, peeled off the backing, and pressed them onto my natural nails. That's it! No extra tools or skill needed. Comfort-wise, these nails feel surprisingly lightweight and flexible. They aren't as rigid as some press-on nails I've tried, and that actually makes them feel more like real gel nails. They stay put, but there's still enough flexibility to move with my fingers, so I didn't feel like they were restricting me in any way. The adhesive held up well through normal activities, typing, cooking, and even a little gardening, and there was no lifting or popping off, which is a big deal with press-on nails. But of course, no product is perfect. The main downside I experienced was the sizing. While the kit comes with 30 nails, I found that there wasn't a perfect fit for every finger, which can happen with press-ons. It's not a deal breaker, but something to keep in mind if you have smaller or larger nails than average. Also, because these are short-length nails, they're great for everyday wear, but may not be ideal if you're looking for a more dramatic, long-length style. In terms of value for money, these nails are definitely a solid choice. When you factor in the price and the fact that they come with everything you need, a prep pad, mini file, manicure stick, and 30 nails, you're getting a lot for the price. Plus, at the 10-day wear mark, the cost per day is pretty low compared to regular salon manicures, especially considering you're not paying for a professional to do the work. Now, if you're someone who loves to change up your nails frequently, or you want a budget-friendly option compared to salon nails, these are definitely worth considering. That said, if you're looking for something with a more customized fit or longer-lasting power, there are other press-ons on the market that may give you more flexibility or a better fit for unique nail shapes. In terms of alternatives, if the Kiss imPRESS nails don't quite fit your needs, you could also look at other press-on brands like Dashing Diva or Color Street, which offer similar no-glue options. However, Kiss is known for its easy application and excellent adhesive, making it a reliable go-to for many. To wrap things up, Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani Press-On Nails are an excellent choice if you're looking for a quick, no-fuss French manicure that lasts. The improved adhesive, comfortable wear, and simple application make this a great option for anyone, whether you're a press-on newbie or a seasoned pro. If you've used these nails, I'd love to hear what you think. Drop a comment below and share your experience. And as always, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a Beautyistic review. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.